Okay, this sucks again. We were just trying to work our way through, Al, Michelle, and I, just after 4 o'clock. We wanted to at least get into JB's, so if we had to take shelter, we can eat there in about 25 minutes. It's not too rainy as long as the wind stays like it is. We were so close. It did last up a little bit, must move, but hey, we've had plenty of time under this bridge, haven't we, before?
Yeah, 2013 breakfast.
Yeah, wasn't it?
At 5:13, look at those videos.
Yes. Was that when they were sweeping the water?
Yeah,
yeah, the guy was sweeping and brushing the water. That was funny. Oh yeah, yeah. And the watering hole's closed. It's watering already out here. That was funny when we were at Go Fresh though. I went and I had water before and then I got a root beer. I'm like, you know, yeah, dump this water. I'm like, I've been drinking water all day and now there's enough of it outside. We got enough water. What'd you do at work?
Pouring rain.
Yeah.
And I go, hey, does anyone want to see a rain dance? This is on Monday.
Yeah.
And I opened the sliding door and...
Go ahead, Michelle.
And my coworker locked the door on me.
So you were stuck outside in the rain?
I was stuck outside for like a minute.
Oh, that's funny.
And my residents were laughing.
That's funny, dude. Oh.
Yes, that really did happen.
I believe you. I wish I could have seen that. But here at Great America, you have the Al Michelle rain dance. Boy, you know, it's funny too. They were just setting up to do a show in hometown. I wonder how that went. Thunder. I know.
Here, listen.
He said all 3 babies have been sleeping since 2:30. Organized going washed
You're brave. We can make it. Let's go. Ready? Set.